Hello, my name is Jose Luis, and this time I'm going to show you how to make a modern, beautiful, and easy to create plant stand. You can also use it in this way, in case you have a larger pot. You can find the measurements at the end of the video. Let's get to work. We start with the 2 square boards. We mark the diagonal lines precisely in the center and proceed to trace the circles with a diameter of 28 centimeters, using a quality compass for optimal results. We recommend making these marks on both faces of the boards for greater precision in the final assembly. When marking the legs, pay special attention to symmetry and use a square for assistance. Measure 8 centimeters from the edge inward and position the strip to trace its width of 10 centimeters. Use a router on the strip with a center thickness of 2.3 centimeters. Repeat the same for all 4 legs. Important: ensure the strip's width and thickness are uniform for a more professional appearance. When using a quarter-round router bit, cut slowly to avoid splinters, achieving a depth of 0.5 centimeters. Keep it clean by chamfering the corners with a chisel and hammer, using a sharp saw for clean edges. Mark 2 holes in the channel we opened about 1.5 centimeters from the inner edge and drill with a 3M guide bit. Turn it and use the router to drill to later cover the screw heads. For drilling, the 3mm bit must be of high quality to avoid unwanted deviations. Centering is crucial for the cross. Mark the center and project lines to draw a thickness of 2.3 centimeters with a square. Again, mark the center of the traced thickness. The painted area is the part we will remove for assembly. Cut with the saw, always leaving the line. We can also cut with a jigsaw or by hand. Also, cut the circles we drew with the compass. Once the 4 legs are sanded, proceed with the assembly, ensuring even glue application in the box. When screwing, keep the clamps centered to avoid possible displacements. This step is crucial for the stability and durability of the plant stand. Place the screws in the holes we made earlier. Note: I don't use the guide bit for drilling because pine is soft and screws in easily, so there's no need to use the guide bit. Also, glue the dowels to cover the holes and remove the excess with the saw. Repeat the process on the other crossbeam. We should have 2 identical pairs. Once the sides are sanded, when placing the dowels, ensure they fit perfectly into the crossbeam and glue them. The glue should be fast drying to allow enough time for final adjustments. Clean any excess glue immediately for a clean finish. Mark the center of the pieces, and for the union of the crossbeam with the board, use 52 mm screws. Cut the heads with a grinder for a professional finish. Use a punch to mark the circular board. Screw it carefully to the screw. Secure the attachment with 4 screws in the main structure of the crossbeam. For the bottom board, also mark the center of the joint and put a 52 mm screw, cut its head, punch the circular board, and add it. When fixing the bottom board, distribute the 4 screws evenly to ensure uniform fastening. Applying a drop of glue before screwing will ensure a strong joint and effectively hide the screw heads. Once positioned, accompany the circular board while screwing to make it perfect. Well, friends, the modern plant stand is ready. Very beautiful and easy to make. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll be responding. Bye-bye.